Awesome. You're watching I Love I with IMPK. I'm going to introduce Trinell if he gets here on time sometime, you know. But I'm introducing them to Corner Grill, one of my favorite spots in the Valley, a sleeper. Trust me when I say one of the best Korean barbecue sandwiches you can get at the best prices in town. So I'm going to show them around. I'm going to show them the French fries, the Calbee burger, and let's go check this place out.
All right, yeah. So a little hole in one. How'd you find this place, man?
Actually, I just took a quick look at Yelp and wanted to find some like different spots, and Korean barbecue, American fusion, sounded like a kind of good taste.
So you're a Yelper?
I am a Yelper, elite by the way. Elite. Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Shit.
Feel good, but no, it's not too big of a deal.
I gotta set up now. I'm with a Yelp elite over here. You know what I'm saying?
But trust me when I say this is one of my favorite spots in the Valley. Definitely a sleeper. Definitely a sleeper.
So it's in Panorama City, you guys. It's literally Galpin Ford is right across the street.
Exactly.
I've been around here so many times. You know, my girlfriend lives right around the street, down the street. So it's like home over here. But I'm ready to dive in. What do we get here?
So we got the Calbee burger. Trust me when I say it is probably the best thing on the menu. It will hit your spot, especially if you like the Calbee, barbecue. And also what we got here is the Calbee Korean barbecue French fries.
Oh, shit.
Oh, man. If you get both of these, I don't think you're going to be able to finish it, but if you can finish it, it hit the spot for you.
I don't know. Have you seen that video up there?
I have, but,
25 tacos? You know what I'm saying? The counter was a little bit off, Sonny, but it's okay.
Hey, I might do the filler.
All right, let's go. Damn, it looks...
It's good?
Yeah, I mean, look at that. These are Hawaiian, so they use Hawaiian buns. Look at that. It's just filled with like meaty goodness. All right.
Gorgeous, ain't she? Trust me. Trust me. Oh, man.
All right, you Yelper.
And then what you should do is take some of these fries and actually put on top of that burger. Mix up the sauce a little bit. It'll hit the spot. That's why a mix of this with that is what I call the combo.
All right.
That's what you need.
So I do it like that?
Exactly. In-N-Out has like the monkey style.
Yeah.
This is what we just call, let's call it PK style for now. Good.
All right, guys, cut. We're good. We can get out of here. No. Man, it's perfect.
Perfect. So other than that, trust me when I say this is just one of the best things here. Chicken, the sodas. If you're a Yelper, you could probably check and get some deals here.
Okay, I mean, I do the little Yelp thing. I'm not an elite though. We're not elite yet, you know.
You just, if you have an account, check in. You'll get some free stuff here, sometimes soda here and there.
Okay.
But if you're hungry, you want some Korean style American fusion burgers, this is the place to go. Trust me.
I mean, it came out pretty quick, right? Like the food.
5 minutes about.
Right. Okay.
5 minutes. But it's on the grill. You can hear it cooking and you can smell it.
Okay. Look, if you guys have been, if you've been to Korean barbecue, this is this and like between Hawaiian bread, which is already God made, So I like it. The sauce is perfect. The meat's cooked just right. It's really thin, so they're able to pile a lot of it on. And like I said, it's quick. You pull in, you get out, you go eat your food, and
exactly. It's not dry. That's the best thing about it. Like if you look at the meat, it's actually kind of juicy. It gives you that good taste. And that's what Bulgogi. You want that Korean barbecue feel. Oh man.
Look, this is Korean barbecue without having to go sit down
and actually cook it. Yeah, exactly. They cook it for us, thankfully.
Some of my friends don't like going to Korean barbecue because you have to cook your own food. But
of course,
I'm all in. You're not gonna eat, man?
Of course, I'm ready.
You gotta get your, I know you do this for life, so.
Just want to make sure that you're having enough,
Oh man, so yeah, man, definitely thanks for pointing this spot out for sure. We know you're elite verified on Yelp and stuff, so you guys go ahead, follow them on Instagram. We're gonna put all the information down below, his handle.
Exactly.
Show him some
Good
love. You know what I'm saying? Smash
you.
that like
Thank you.
button, subscribe, all that. You know what
Subscribe
I'm saying?
again. Subscribe to I Love LA, and then I Love ILA. Sorry, and then we'll get this going. We'll finish this, and we'll get to the next spot.
Yeah, we'll spare you guys the details because it's so good. We want to save you. But thank you guys. Again, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and so that way you get notified for more videos just like this. Also, share with your family and friends because they'll love it. Peace.